So China trade is the marginal move of the market. All the sectors that are moving here, semiconductors, for example, industrials, I put up the screen here and you can see they're the ones that are moving. The China stocks as well. There's the semis, China ETFs, Dow components. It's all trade-related names. So you've got Dow DuPont, you've got your 3Ms. Apple's gone on a 15% ride up and down in the last few weeks. This was 216 just a few weeks ago. You see these movers here today. So what's the China trade deal and where are we? The question is Huawei a part of this deal? That's what we don't know right now. If that final Huawei order, is it final or is it just part of a trade deal? We don't know. But would it kill a trade deal if the Huawei order, as it stands to stop doing business, holds on here? We've got that Trump-Xi meeting, and that's definitely providing some support for the market. So Huawei and the China trade deal are linked together, and the question is, how linked are they? Meantime, we look at the retailers. We've been telling you about the 52-week lows. There's many of them out there. Most of them are on trade-related names. You see Kohl's, that big decline here. That's down more than 20% in just the last few weeks. Here's the Kohl's earnings thing that's amazing to me. They lowered their full-year earnings rather dramatically, 11%, even more than the miss for the first quarter. The question is, why do they lower it so much? The first quarter is the weakest quarter, the smallest quarter of the year, and yet they seem to think the full year is going to be down a lot. Do they think revenues are going to be weaker? We had the conference call. It's still ongoing. But just let me show you here quickly. They talked about more aggressive pricing and promotions from their competitors. They did say there were higher costs due to tariffs, and they said they expect the softness to continue into the second quarter, although now they're talking about things will be a little bit better in the second half of the year. This is a little disconcerting, Carl, because it seems to indicate Kohl's does not necessarily believe there's going to be much revenue growth at all this year. We'll continue to monitor that conference call.